So there's something that I need you to know about bench press, and that it is not as cool and as great of an exercise as you think. Now, I'm not saying that you should forget doing the bench press because it is a really good exercise for your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but it is a little overrated. And this is simply because of years of bros and people going to the gym using it as a lift to kind of show off how much they can lift, right? But this is only one exercise that shows how much you can lift. And in fact, it's a very limited exercise and it shows only how much you can lift in a pushing horizontal pattern with weight. There are so many other exercises on the planet that you can show your overall strength and muscular endurance on. You can do it with push-ups, you can do it with pull-ups, you can do it with deadlifts, you can do it with squats. And then beyond that, even in addition to weight training, you can see how fast you can run, how flexible you are, how good your balance is. A bench press 1 rep max is literally one exercise and just one aspect of fitness. And if you're really strong at the bench and you're completely neglecting all other aspects of fitness, I would say that's not really worth it in my opinion. Now, if you want to, by all means, but most of the people who watch my videos want to be well-rounded in fitness. So if you don't like doing the bench press, or if you feel like your bench press is weak, that's totally okay. Don't worry about it because it is literally one exercise. And chances are, I'm guessing you're probably fitter in a bunch of other exercises that just don't get a lot of mainstream attention.